Hello everyone and welcome back to Tuscany. I am Danilo Romolini and today I brought you to Lucca. This location is very appreciated for its charming Tuscan authentic town, its lush countryside and most of all the close proximity to the seaside. I brought you here today to visit a fully restored manorial villa from the 1800s with an elegant exterior space, with its Italian garden, its olive grove, its wonderful swimming pool, and even its own private chapel. I can't wait to show it to you. Come with me. The villa is located within a charming Tuscan village on a hilltop overlooking a fantastic view. On this side we have the view on the imposing Tuscan hills. The villa is also located 1 kilometer to the closest town with all of the services, 10 kilometers to the town of Lucca, about 1 hour drive to Florence, and just 30 minutes to the exclusive location of Porto dei Marmi by the seaside. On the front part, externally, the villa is featuring an elegant Italian garden. Maintained with great care, it is in total 2,800 square meters and it truly adds to this place. In total, the whole villa has 9,000 square meters of external spaces, including also the olive grove and the swimming pool area. Let me show you a little gem in the property. In the end of the garden, on a reserved spot, we find this beautiful artwork from the artist Andrea Salvetti. This is a really rare piece. In fact, there are very few in the world, and it acts like a gazebo. So it is an excellent spot to sit down, relax, sip a coffee, or read a book. On an elevated spot overlooking the property with this beautiful terrace, we find the 12 by 6 meters swimming pool. This is a brand new pool with a windwhirl tub corner on this side, steps on the other. Over here we have a beautiful wooden part to sit down and relax under the sun, while over on this part we have a terracotta sunbathing area. Below the villa, along the hillside, are about 130 olive trees producing up to 260 kgs of oil per year. The villa has 2 driveways, both closed by automatic gates with an intercom. A surveillance system connected with a private security service allows the entire property to be kept under control remotely. On one side of the villa we find the original manorial chapel. It dates back to the same period of the main villa. It is about 100 square meters in internal space and is laid on 2 levels. On the ground level, we find a private concert room with excellent acoustics, typical of churches. The church, by the way, is no longer consecrated. On the first level is a guest apartment with a bedroom, a cozy bathroom, and a kitchenette. Opposite to the private chapel, right by the villa and the swimming pool, we find the guest house. It is 355 square meters. In the past, it was a limonaia and now has been divided into 2 apartments and into a large common area. Let's see it inside. Welcome inside the ground floor of the former limonaia. Here, it has been set up as a common space for the 2 apartments, but also for the rest of the property. It is really cool here, naturally, even though it has an air conditioned. This is because it is leaning against the ground. In fact, on this side we have on the upper level the swimming pool. So it is ideal for the hotter summer days to relax and to lay down. It is very traditional. In here we have terracotta floors, we have exposed beams on the ceiling. Being a limonaia, in the past, before the restoration, this might have been a single floor and has been afterwards divided into 2 floors to use the whole height of the room. From this common space, we access to 2 separate units. The first one from this side. Over here we access to, first of all, a large bathroom that serves the common spaces, but also the apartment. Then the access to a spacious garage that can host 1 car. And on this side, we get to one of the 2 apartments, very spacious and with an independent access, laid on 2 levels. On the first level, we find the bedroom, while downstairs, a nice and spacious living area with kitchen. On the first level of the limonaia, we have the second apartment. It is one big space that has been furnished in such a way to create different areas. So we have the kitchen on this side to begin with. Also here we have a separate air conditioning unit. And next we find a sitting area with a dining space. In the end, we find the bedroom side. Of course, there is the bathroom here with shower. And you can exit and we are on the same level of the swimming pool. So this is like a pool house in a way. Welcome inside the main villa. We are on the ground level into what is a beautiful hallway. The main villa is 965 square meters with a total of 9 bedrooms. On the ground level, we mostly have the common spaces with, right behind me, what is either a large office room with its own bathroom or a reception space if one wants to use the building as a boutique hotel. Then, next, in this room, we find a large breakfast space or dining space with its own service bathroom. Over here, let me show you the kitchen. Here we find, communicating with the dining space, this beautiful professional kitchen. This kitchen is respecting all of the standards for a restaurant. So it is professional with a stainless steel part over here, wooden inserts, and over here a beautiful stone top. Fully equipped, we also have a wine fridge. We have working tops on all sides, double sink. Right behind me you can also see a working pizza oven. And then on this side we access to another washing area for plates and washing machine, together with a pantry space. In the end of the floor, we find the staircase. It's been wonderfully decorated and the frescoes have been restored. On the lower floor, we have the spa that I will show you in a minute. In the end, we find a beautiful dining space with wonderful frescoes on the ceiling. We are on the lower ground level. We are really cool since we are underground. This was probably in the past the wine cellar, and nowadays it's been restored into a wonderful spa. We have the jacuzzi on this side, the hammam first, the sauna, and showers on this side. I love the terracotta vaulted ceilings. On the first floor of the villa, so the piano nobile, we find some impressive spaces. This is the main and largest room of this floor. It is a wonderful reception space, sitting area, and we find several types of frescoes. Some are restored, some have been added by skillful artisans from Florence. We have 16th century decorations, we have 18th and 19th centuries beautiful trompe d'oeil frescoes. From this room, we connect on this side to a spacious but at the same time cozy dining space or TV area that has corner views, so full of natural light. Then from this room, through this large window, we exit onto a beautiful French balcony overlooking all of the Italian garden on the front and the swimming pool on the right side. In the end, over here, we have access to a bathroom, and these two windows overlook the valley on the back of the villa. Through the door on that side, we get to one of the bedrooms of this floor that has beautiful decorations and frescoes as well, together with its ensuite bathroom. Next, on the last room, we find and notice this beautiful enfilade of doors all the way through. The next room is a cozy office space. It is contained but very elegant, full of details, just like the rest of this floor. Have a look at how many wonderful frescoes on the ceiling. This is an office space at the moment, but can also be a reception room. Let me show you the last bedroom. In the end of this floor, on the opposite side of the living area, we find another spacious reception space right by the entrance staircase. We have on this side views on the front garden and over here on the limonaia. From this reception room, we get to the last bedroom of this floor, which is nice and spacious. It has corner views, so two windows on two sides full of natural light, with an ensuite bathroom that is shared on the other side with the other bedroom we've seen earlier. Welcome to the second level. We have the same beautifully decorated staircase, and on this floor we find three spacious suites. Here we have the first one on one end of the villa. It begins with a cozy sitting area on this side, a hallway, and in the end we find the bedroom with views on the countryside and the valley with its ensuite bathroom. Next, we find this reception space that acts as a hallway to connect the rest of the bedroom. On this side, overlooking the front garden, and over here we find the access to the second suite, beginning from this door. It has this spacious sitting area at the entrance with this wonderful herringbone parquet floor. On this side, the bathroom of the suite finished with beautiful mosaic. And over here, follow me into the bedroom. The bedroom is truly majestic. We have impressive frescoes anywhere you look, and it has the same herringbone wooden floors, just like the other room. Two large windows overlooking the valley. On the morning, we have most of the sun on this side of the villa, and the bedroom is full of natural light. These two doors access to some neighboring rooms that I will show you in a second. Welcome to the last suite. This is the largest and doubtlessly my favorite. It begins with this very spacious living area with a TV sitting space on this side. Here we have a single bedroom or a couch, or it can be also an office space that is communicating with a bathroom and the main bedroom on this other corner. Welcome to the last floor of the villa. We are right below the roof, and up here we find three last suites. These are more modern and more contemporary. So we have beautifully painted wooden beams on the ceiling that give even more light to this space. To begin with, this is the first suite, and it has the sitting area with TV space over there. On this other side, we find the rest of the floor with the bedroom. I love this huge wooden beam passing across, and on the right side we have the ensuite bathroom. Very bright, that acts as a hallway, just like on the lower level. And from here we access to the second suite of this floor. It has nice and spacious areas with the ensuite bathroom. By the way, at the entrance we find a second service bathroom to serve the common spaces that I will show you now. Welcome to the common space. It is modernized and full of light. We have the same beautiful wooden ceilings with painted beams. This gives even more natural light. On this side we have this table which opens and it becomes a snooker table to have fun with your friends. And on this other side we find the rest of the room with a large sitting space and a TV area over here to relax and chill after dinner. In the end we find the last room. This is a single room, differently from the other suites which were divided into sections, but we still have a cozy sitting space on this side, the ensuite bathroom and the bedroom. As well, here we have some wonderful single-piece wooden beams that are quite impressive. And here we are ending today's property tour. I think this property could be ideal either for somebody that would like to begin running a boutique hotel in Tuscany. There are enough bedroom and all of the facilities needed. The bedrooms are also independent and nice and spacious. As well, it could be suitable for somebody that loves Tuscany and would like an important manorial villa as a holiday home to invite friends or for a large family. I hope you enjoyed this property. Please get in touch with us if you have any further questions, leave a comment on the comment section below and subscribe to the Romolini channel for the best homes of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao!